Thanks for having us here. It's
very kind of you.
Great museum you have.
No, thank you so much for coming today. I am a fifth-year PhD student here at Yale University in the Near Eastern Languages and Civilizations department, and I'm specializing in Egyptology.
Paul's in possession of a really interesting piece.
Oh, great. Well, let's have a look.
Let's take a look.
We've seen a lot of strange things, but this is something we've never really seen before.
Ah, yes, that is a very interesting piece.
Our questions are, is it real? Is it not? How old is it? I mean, generally, what, besides the obvious, what do we have here?
Okay, would you mind if I took a closer look?
Sure, that'd be great.
A mummified phallus is actually quite rare. Okay. There are several things that we would look for in order to ascertain whether or not the mummified phallus is actually real. The first thing we would look for is very, very dark skin. This is because they mummified most of the bodies with a mixture of resins and it stains. So I would expect to see something a little darker. But that said, if we look under here, we can actually see quite dark patches. Now, the second thing, other than the dark color that we would normally look for, is gilding. So as we see on the mask here, there's application of gold leaf. And we tend to see that on the genitalia, both of males and females.
On the actual mummy itself?
On the linen wrappings.
On the linen wrappings.
So we would expect to see it on something like this. The problem with gilding is it's a very valuable metal, so it could have been removed in the past. Basically what I'm telling you is, by looking at this, it's very, very difficult to tell if we are looking at the real thing or something that might actually be a wonderful replication. It's simply just too difficult to tell at this stage visually. So what I would recommend is to have a look at what's actually inside. And there's a non-invasive way in which you can do that. You could take the object to be scanned and have a look and actually see what makes up the content of it as well.
So basically the conclusion is...
The conclusion is inconclusive, yes. It's such an unusual piece.
I guess next stop is getting this piece scanned.
Thanks.
Sounds good.
All right. Thanks.